Alright, so here is this Hoover Convertible. This is my first convertible in at least a year. I sold my last one sometime last year, so I haven't had one for a little while, but here's a really nice one. This is a convertible model 584. This looks identical to all of these special models, which would be models 31 through 36, but I don't believe this is a special. I think it's just a convertible, but it's in really nice shape, and it's in a really nice pea green, or I think that's what it is, something like that. Really nice shade of green. I like it. It's a nice machine too. Look at it. It's really nice shape. So the bag is original and also in phenomenal condition. I mean, these bags tend to be damaged. This one isn't. This one clearly doesn't have very many miles on it. Here's the bottom. So there's the brush roll, which is in good shape. Beater bars. And then there's the rating plate. The Hoover Cleaner Model 584. Beats as it sweeps as it cleans. Made in USA, of course, and it's Hoover Company, North Canton. And I think that's the serial number, maybe? I'm not really sure. As for the amperage, I'm not really sure. I don't see anything on how many amps this thing is, but I doubt it's very much. These older cleaners never had high amperage at all. There's the rug plate. The Hoover Cleaner makes rugs last longer. So, there it is. You got your handle release right there, and you have the height setting, which is normal and high. Nothing too crazy. And these took Type-C bags. In the newer convertibles, you can get away with putting F and G's in them, but something like this with a very narrow, they called it the slim bag, I believe. Can't really fit those in there unless you want it to be restricted. So yeah, this takes Type-C bags. I know the 80s and 90s convertibles had Type-A bags, which was a nice upgrade, but anyway, without further ado, here it is running. And before I go, this Hoover was given to me by a new friend of mine. I just made a new friend. He's another collector that lives not too far from me. And nice guy. He got some machines for me as well, so shout out to him. He actually found this Hoover at a Goodwill for, I can't remember how much, but it wasn't much at all. Pretty cheap. So this is an impressive find altogether. Such a beautiful machine. So there is the beautiful Hoover Model 584. Such a beautiful example of a Hoover convertible. Again, this clearly doesn't have many miles on it. Whoever had it either took very good care of it, never really used it much, or both. So, anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.